room, inside room, interior, all, yeah, 8019. So you have the TV here, and there is the controlling for air conditioning, toilet, shower, there is a bathroom, and you can sit here on the in the cruise port. They give us some free newspaper. There is a daily program which will give you inside the room, inside the cabin, or under the door. You have a fridge here. It's packed. You can use it, but you can have it as well. You need to pay for it. And the prices are here. So like the gym, it's cost $6.99, and they write it here wrong already because it's saying 100 centiliters, but actually it's 1 liter. So there is all the prices of the minibar in the MSC Preziosa, and you have here as well for the hairs. They are for charging, and you have as well actually one for USB. And they give you as well some tea and coffee and kettle as well, so you can drink it as well. So then you have the treasure secure box. Then you have few drawers here which you can use it for your stuff. You have here, there are the lifeguards, the vest. Then you have pretty much spaces for luggage, for hanging your look. And so this, and then here as well they open for us one more bed extra. It's coming from the top, from the ceiling, and we already tried. It's actually good because it's for 150 kilograms, or one person this size. Then you have a double bed which can be put together or split. Lights, everything is pretty nice in this. If I compare to Seaside or Orchestra, it's similar size and similar equipment. Then you have cups here, then many information about something. This is the room 8019, and then thank you very much for watching my video. Thanks guys.
So this is prices for the washing on the MSC Preziosa right now, and as you can see, the jacket, for example, it's priced €8. Washing and ironing as well. So you have everything.